Hey, to connect the jack headphones or earphones into the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can for sure do this, but you will have to get the adapter. So it looks like this: USB-C input and the headphone jack 3.5mm output. So we have to plug your headphones into this one, just like this. Now you will have to grab your phone. You don't have to enable any options in your phone. You have to just plug it straight into the USB-C port. And now take a look. When we try to check if it works, we can just go simply for the volume adjustment, where you can see the earphones icon. It means that they are supported and the sound output is actually on our device. So that's how it actually looks. And now if I'm gonna unplug it, it will change for a speaker, which means that right now they are not connected. So as you can see, that's how it works. Thanks for watching this video.